In this video, we'll be showing you how to preview an event before it goes on sale. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From the main navigation, head to Admin, Events, and then select Preview from the Event Management menu. A new window will open for you to preview your event details. You can then continue through the checkout process and ensure that all of your product questions are configured correctly. You can complete any order either as test or live orders. For further information on test orders, please see the FAQ in the description below. And that's it, you can now successfully preview an event before it goes on sale. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.